Hi friends, so before starting the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can get all my new videos updates. So friends, today we will complete Hacktoberfest 2020 challenge in 5 minutes. So first search Hacktoberfest. You should also have one GitHub account. It is necessary so that you can contribute. Wait a minute. Yeah, you can see here I have one GitHub account. Now come to Hacktoberfest. Click on Start Hacking. Now it's redirecting to my GitHub account. Click on Sign in with GitHub. Yeah, so here you have to take your preferred email ID and now select your role. It should be participant. I have read and understand the rules and values. You have to click it and start hacking. Now come to your GitHub account and search Hacktoberfest 2020 projects. Enter. Now you can see here fourth one, Pulkit 0076. I'll be providing the link in the description below. So now here you have to click on fork so that you can do contribution in it. Now you can see here it has been forked and you can see this Pulkit Singh 2008 means it has come under my account. You can see a fork from Pulkit 0076. Then click on the project you want to update or contribute. I will be using calculator.py. So you can see here, click on this pencil icon so that you can make changes. So we will be making one calculator. So here I'll print calculator, then initialize the variable, and now I'm writing the if statements. If the operator is equal to into, then shift, then once again it should be elif. You can also write in Java, C, C++. I will merge it, but it should not have any errors because I know these languages. So you can once again L, yes, shift divided by, so you should divide it, then if if operator is equal to minus, then subtract the number 1 from number 2, else, so enter, else print operator not found, and it's done. I made a simple calculator. You can modify it, then I will accept it, but it should not have any errors. Now it's done. Then you can write the commit changes here, change the file name you can, and you can also write a description. It's now updated calculator. I will commit changes. Now you have to click on pull requests, then click on new pull request, then create pull request, and now you can see update calculator.py, so it's correct. So you have to create pull request. Now you can see here I have sent the pull request. So okay, you have to see the full video, then only you can click on the check boxes and then start hacking. Wait a minute, it's been reloaded. Participant and see the full video.
Fast 2020.
At the check boxes, start hacking. Yeah, you can see here your contributions. You submitted update calculator.py to this, and it's showing here 0 of 4 pull requests because it's not merged yet, and it should be I will merge it afterwards from my another account. Now again go to code, logical program, and click on fork and write your program. So it's wrong. You can come and change the program, then if there is no error I will accept it, and you can give her 4 pull requests, then you can get a chance to get a swag from Hacktoberfest 2020. After 14 days it will be matured. So now come to your pull requests. Wait a minute. Yeah, so here Twitter, now it's been reloaded. Then again go to pull request, new pull request, So I have submitted one more, you can see here. Yes, and then you have to do it 4 times. After that it will send you a email, which I will be showing you. So here you can see the email has come, you did it, congratulations on submitting 4 pull requests. And after that there are rules. Project maintainers now have 14 days to review your contribution